In 2047, due to human recklessness, Earth had become uninhabitable. However, a significant discovery was made in the orbit of Jupiter, 620 million kilometers away. A satellite named K23 was found to most likely meet the conditions for human habitation. A team of 5 scientists embarked on an expedition aboard the spacecraft Ether to explore the satellite. After half a year of travel, K23, the beacon of humanity's hope, finally appeared before the exploration team. Rich in minerals and fresh water, with Earth-like gravity and ample oxygen, K23 could easily replace Earth as humanity's second home. A year later, the exploration team, carrying a wealth of research data, began their journey back home. The scientists' excitement, however, came to an abrupt halt a week ago. Their communication with Earth was suddenly cut off. After a thorough check, the Ether's communication system showed no issues. Just as the team was on the brink of despair, they received a transmission from the North Pole. Before they could celebrate, the spacecraft's alarms went off. They had inadvertently veered off course into an uncharted region. The captain quickly applied the brakes and adjusted the course, but they were still hit by space hail. The impact from the space hail destroyed the spacecraft's radar system and communication module. In an effort to restore contact with Earth, the captain, his wife, and the assistant left the ship to repair the backup antenna. Their operations were surprisingly smooth, despite the gravity of the situation. However, the previously clear path suddenly became flooded with hail again. The protective shield, already severely damaged, was shattered by the second wave of impacts. Fortunately, the hailstorm was short-lived, and the danger was temporarily averted. The radar antenna was successfully deployed. While the captain was relieved, the assistant began showing signs of distress. Blood droplets were floating inside her helmet, and her spacesuit had been pierced. When they returned to the pressurized cabin and removed her helmet, a vibrant life was lost. The mood of the crew plummeted to an all-time low, but when they finally reached Earth, what they saw was far worse than they had imagined. The air was filled with a gray gas, which prevented any signals from being transmitted. The last group of humans at the North Pole Observatory began their emergency evacuation. It turned out that by 2049, Earth's environment had deteriorated to the point that a mysterious virus had contaminated the atmosphere. The remaining humans had begun to migrate underground, waiting for the final end. Augustine, a terminally ill astronomer, decided to stay behind. He wanted to send a warning to the Ether, which was about to arrive at Earth.